Hey, welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Look at this mess. What I'm doing here is parting out my 1987 two-wheel drive Toyota. This is the one that had the step-side fiberglass bed along with a lift kit. 22R engine, a 5-speed transmission way back over there next to the rear axle. When I part out these rusty trucks, I don't waste any parts. All the parts go to help keep good trucks on the road. Do I ever feel bad parting these trucks out and scrapping them? Not at all. Because trucks that I get like this for dirt cheap are too far gone to be saved. Look here inside at the rust holes. The cab is rotten on the corners and the seams. This truck has been destroyed by Ohio winters and road salt. The rocker panels already rotted away, so the previous owner welded this Z-channel in place. The cab is toast. The frame is toast. Plenty of holes in this one. The fuel lines are so rusted that they're leaking. Around the front here, there's rot at the bottom here. Really bad over there. I didn't show a lot of the part out disassembly process on this one because it's kind of redundant from the videos I uploaded when I did the same to my 1986, which was actually a little rustier than this one. The 86 frame was so bad that I was able to bend the back section in half with just my hands. I just want everyone to see that the trucks I'm parting out aren't salvageable. I don't do this to decrease the population of these Toyotas. Ohio winters just destroy them. So this 87 has been completely stripped, and here's how they look at the end of the part out process. I do this to help keep the healthy trucks on the road. This one, with terminal cancer, has provided those parts. Here's a pile of Toyota frame. Not an uncommon sight here in my garage. That happened when I was pulling the leaf springs off. This truck had a Fabtech Lift Kit, so the extra leaf is added in that pack, so I'll just keep them together for whoever buys them. Here's the sway-away torsion bars that were used with the kit, and the front shocks and A-arms. The clutch was decent, I'll save that. Heater core, bumper. Oh wait, that was actually from the 86. That's still left over from the Mercedes. I need to get rid of that. Spare four-wheel drive trans from a different 86. Now I have two two-wheel drive transmissions. That's the 22RE Frankenstein engine that was in the 86 1-ton. I'm going to tear into that one eventually and see how they cobbled that one together. And the rear axle from this 87, which is actually an 8-inch instead of the 7.5-inch because the truck originally had a 4-speed tranny. The doors are rusty too. It's sad to see a Yoda get to this point, but that's what happens here in Ohio. They didn't use the best metal when they made these trucks. That's why I stopped driving my 85 in the snow long ago. Well, that's what's going on with my 1987 Toyota. So keep your Toyotas out of the road salt, and hopefully they won't end up looking like this one. Thanks for watching.